This is Uluberia, a subdivisional town of Bengal in the eastern part of India. At present, we are within the campus of Uluberia Super Specialty Hospital. It's a huge campus, spread over a wide area and contain a number of tall trees. But among them, few specific branched trees draw our attention. We found sudden appearance of 3 species of moderate to big-sized birds on those trees around 2 months back. They would stay there for a few weeks more and then abandon this temporary home to return to their natural habitats elsewhere. This is a story of short-distance migration of birds. As the sun rises in the east horizon and day progresses, the activities on those trees come into view. Specifically, 3 species of birds are noted. One from the crow family, the Indian Cormorant, locally called Falco, and 2 birds from the stork family, the Cinclus. The grey-white stork and white stork. All these 3 species of birds have their natural habitats around some water bodies, swamps or marshlands quite away from this campus. But they have come here and made these trees their home for 3 months with a specific purpose. While we all know that birds like the iconic Siberian crane migrate over thousands of kilometers to faraway places on search of more favorable resources like shelter and food during the harsh winter, some birds do shift their homes to places just few kilometers away from their natural habitats, neither to avoid the harsh climate nor to get ample food, but just to find suitable nesting places, breed there and hatch the eggs. This is the end of February and start of spring in India, which is the perfect breeding season, and so for the last 2 months and next few weeks, these birds have migrated here. Most of the branches are occupied by these birds in large numbers, and each of them would remain perched atop their nests or on an adjoining branch and closely protect and monitor their nests. These trees are tall, having strong branches, and is situated quite away from their known habitats. Nesting here provides a much needed privacy and security for their eggs and young ones from the eyes of preying predators like snakes, fox, monitor lizards, eagles, and other animals higher in the food chain. All the birds would be found to sit idly or with minimum physical activities all through day and night. This idle perching serves them 2 purposes. One, it reduces the expenditure of energy, shifting their bodies to a low metabolic state, which in turn allows them to feed much less, which again means more time for continuous presence near the nests. Secondly, due to their less activities and movements, they can remain unnoticed from unexpected prying eyes, such as a flying eagle or an opportunistic cat, which further add up to the security of their young ones. But having noticed them sitting all day, there also occur some crazy, unusual aberrations like this cormorant, who is probably finding this leisure time quite suitable for few neck and shoulder exercises, or this stork busy in body grooming. But overall, This 3 months period is a time of hardship away from home with lesser scope of activities, much less food, along with added burdens and responsibilities of parenting. We always get fascinated by stories of extreme long distance migration of legendary birds. But at a time when vegetation cover is rampantly diminishing due to human atrocities, swamps and grasslands being acquired for urbanization, this small-term, short-distance migration of these common everyday birds is no less extraordinary a tale of adaptation, struggle, survival, and somehow carrying on with the basic events of life, which is the source of sustenance in our planet Earth.